Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do bezel with UV resin and forget-me-not real flowers. Right now I got the bezel, I put UV resin, and with the toothpick I'm going to spread the UV resin evenly. And then I'm going to put from the real flowers forget-me-not. They are yellow color. I'm going to put them in there, and then I'm going to cure for a few minutes. Now I'm going to get some gold flakes and I'm going to just put them at the top, so we're going to have a little bit shinier color, and at the end the final result is really beautiful, so wait for it. Again, I'm using the toothpick just to spread the the gold flakes evenly. And yeah, I really like using toothpick because it's very easy to spread something or to move something to side, and it's a very delicate place, so yes. Now I'm going to cure for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, as the first curing process is done, I'm going to put again UV resin, so to make the final look beautiful. And I'm just going to spread again the UV resin, and then I'm going to cure for another minute or two. At the end, I'm going to turn the bezel, and I'm going to do the same thing with the UV resin and cure again for final result for a minute or two. And here you see the final result. I put silver plated chain, you see the earrings, and yes, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.